for months and months and months and months and months.
You got to open that up all the way. What is that?
Huh?
What is that?
Dirty thing?
No. Pull it out. What the f? Get the f in!
Maryland, July 2021. A quiet summer night in Essex. A police cruiser pulls up behind a black sedan. Nothing unusual, just another traffic stop. But within minutes, that ordinary stop would reveal a horror buried in plain sight.
For months and months and months and months and months.
You got to open that up all the way. What is that?
Huh?
What is that?
Dirty thing?
No. Pull it out. What the f? Get the f in! Push out!
A horror that would shatter a family, a neighborhood, and a community's faith in its own safety. 2 children, Joshlyn, age 7, and Larry, age 5. In 2019, they were placed in the care of their aunt, Nicole Johnson. It was meant to be temporary. But in those 2 years, no doctor visits, no school records, not a single welfare check. They simply disappeared. And then came the night when everything came to light. Officers approached the car. Nicole Johnson was arrested at the scene. In court, she pled guilty to 2 counts of first-degree child abuse with blankets. They had been there for months. No missing persons report, no calls from school. Silent until it was too late. Their grandmother, Michelle, had been fighting for them. I called protective services. I called the mayor. They never came back to me. Her voice cracked under the weight of a system that had failed her family. Nicole Johnson was arrested at the scene. In court, she pled guilty to 2 counts of first-degree child abuse, resulting in death. The judge handed down a sentence: life in prison, with all but 50 years suspended, decades behind bars. But this case is more than just one person's crime. It's about the cracks in the system, the unanswered calls, the overlooked absences, the lost opportunities to save 2 young lives. Joshlyn and Larry can't speak for themselves, but we can. If you see something, say something, because sometimes a single voice can stop a tragedy before it happens. For Joshlyn, for Larry, for every child who needs to be found before it's too late.
Was she quiet?
She was quiet.
Quiet? And what did you do after that?
I tried. I just tried to bump her chest. Like I was bumping on her chest really, really hard. Like I got to a baby. She was like, I don't know. Like I was just trying. Like I was just bumping on her chest. Like I was just trying to get her back. Like I was just...
Okay. And then what did you do next?
I laid in the bed with her.
You laid her in the bed and laid next to her? Where was the boy at this time?
Asleep in the other bed.
Okay. Where?
And I stayed in that room with her.
When do you think that was?
I told you, maybe last year.
And then what did you do with her body after that?
I just put it in a suitcase and I kept her. Yeah, he said, my nigga, can you lay me down? And I said, yeah, honey. And I went to smoke and I turned back around and it was like, stay, 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 stay. Hey, would not answer me.
Where did you lay him down at?
On the back seat of the car.
Okay.